Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore homeowners insurance payouts with farmers, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation related to your homeowner's insurance policy. Review your insurance policy to understand the coverage limits and exclusions. Identify the specific incidents that led to the need for restoration of payouts. Contact your farmer's insurance agent or customer service for initial guidance. Prepare a detailed account of the events that resulted in your claim. Collect evidence, such as photographs or videos, to support your claim. Compile any repair estimates or invoices related to the damages incurred. Submit a formal request for restoration of the payout through the farmer's claims portal or by mail. Ensure you include all necessary documentation with your request. Keep a record of your submissions and any correspondence with farmers. Follow up periodically to check on the status of your request. Be prepared to provide additional information if farmers requires it for processing your claim. Once your request is approved, review the payout amount to ensure it matches your expectations. Deposit or cash the payout as soon as you receive it. If you encounter any issues during this process, do not hesitate to escalate the matter to a supervisor at Farmers. Maintain accurate records of all interactions for future reference. Stay informed about your rights as a policyholder throughout the process. Consider consulting a public insurance adjuster if you face challenges in restoring your payout. Make sure to review your homeowner's policy regularly to prevent future claims issues. Continue to communicate openly and respectfully with your insurance adjuster throughout the claims process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.